Hi guys, it's me again, the avashofa of your life. So, I've been watching Korean dramas lately, and every time I watch Korean dramas, they always make me hungry. May mga samgyeopsal, japchae, ramyeon, bibimbap, o uban pang di ko kalitok. So today, I'm going to show you how to make tteokbokki the easiest way. Promise. So first, pag shopping mo sa Koreana or Asi Mart, you're going to buy tteokbokki or rice cake and chili paste or gochujang. And also, onto mong grocery, buy lobster balls, seafood tofu, and spring onions. Don't forget chili paste, gochujang, and also Knorr chicken liquid seasoning. Kay millennial naman ta, no? So shudi na mag-cubes ha. Then bring to a boil 2 cups of hot water and other liquids. Measurement would be depending on your taste buds. Soak your rice cakes in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drain and then mix with your sauce. So as you have noticed, I haven't placed any detailed measurement because we are pro mata-mata measurer. And then you're just going to add your seafood tofu and your lobster balls and just mix them all well. So guys, see how easy it is to make a tteokbokki at home? So once your sauce thickens, that's the time you're going to add your tada spring onions. And don't forget some loving. Wow. And then you're done, ready to serve. So guys, you can mix it up with your own ingredients as long as you have the right sauce. You can also add some sliced boiled egg on top para shufa ang presentation. Oh ha, fang dayon si Oka. Wa man lang katik og finished product. Moto gets? And again guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I do hope you enjoy and learn something from it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!